Our brother, sorry, our sister, what they call DJ Switch. Those of you don't know, you are welcome. The girl wey dey during the time of the shooting, of the master traffication, of the brutalize. The girl don really come outside, come do video, talk wetin happen, because most of us, some of us, na through this girl live video we take see wetin dey happen, wey dem both the girl dey remove live bullet for people leg, everything. After the night is that time we never hear from the girl. Remove the girl, put the governor, Lagos State governor, have her. Since wey they bomb me, call reach now, nobody see who lie reach you. You can lie. You come outside, say nobody die. Say nobody. Say not be the way they think. Oh God. According even they won't believe us. Say I be wetin dey happen until when this girl come do this video. Hey God. The girl say as they do that live video, over 7 people don't let go. I from there, after the live video, over 15 don't die. Say the army they pick bullet, they pick bullet so that if you see where this girl gather bullet, the girl now be like who they sell bullet. Even you now, if your gun not get bullet, the girl can sell for you. Bullet full everywhere. It's after army go, SARS come. The SARS, so they say, I told them, say, Nigeria, they use us to the play. I will go here. Nigeria, they use us to the play. SARS, they say the SARS still there. The leaders, you feel save. Before I will talk to the leaders, you put the governor. Una feel save camera. Say because the camera is too down. Una feel save light. But una not feel save citizen. God, will be foul. Your citizen, you kill them. Because of toll boot. Because of toll boot. Now they take keep people from toll boot. They won't make money. The place where they all this body they pepper them. Oh God, if you watch this, you go cry. Those of you not get heart. God, I don't want hear. You call, they call my inbox, they call cry. If you not just get heart, not watch this girl video, wait till they explain what really happened there, wait till they pass through. Those of you never watch her. Regardez là-bas.
I just want to thank everybody for the support, for the well wishes, and thank you for your prayers. Thank you for joining us in the struggle at the toll gate, for sounding the alarm, and for alerting the public. I thank you for witnessing what happened at the toll gate. Most importantly, my brothers and sisters at the toll gate, I've never met a finer set of people in my life. I'm sorry I haven't said anything in a couple of days. I didn't realize I'd sustained some injuries, and I had to get treated for that. To our leaders, I urge you, please, do not minimize the suffering of families. Do not insult the grief. Do not insult the grief of Nigerians. Do not insult the intelligence of Nigerians. Do not insult the pain that families are facing. People were falling left and right. Yes, there were soldiers there. Another part that people are not really talking about, the police also came. The SARS people were talking about, they also came. Some maybe 40-45 minutes after the soldiers left. We were tear gassed. Tear gas is like pepper, right? It's like cotonou pepper mixed with acid. It's like we were running. This is our, what they call it, our coconut hair generation. We would run, we would come back, we would run, and the only thing we fought with was our flags. We would sit on the floor and raise our hands up, waving our flags and singing the national anthem. That's all we had. A boy jumped on me and was shouting, "Cover her, cover her." I didn't even understand why he did that. They shot that boy on my back. I fell, and while the soldiers were trying to pick their shells, we were running around and picking their shells too because we wanted proof. These are some of the shells we picked. This one I call my own because this landed right next to my ear. This one was one we took out from someone's lap. The military, they were there on Nigerian soil, killing Nigerian citizens. The police and their SARS-like people came doing the same thing, aiming and shooting. Aiming, not, they were pointing the gun at us and shooting live bullets. Who takes live bullets to protest? Who does that? So to our leaders, please, I urge you to please not insult the intelligence of Nigerians and the families. Something I think about now in hindsight, just I wish we hadn't done it, but we carried dead bodies and dropped at the feet of the soldiers so that they could see what they did to us. When I asked the unit commander or something, "Why are you killing us?" I wish we didn't do that. I wish we kept the bodies because they ended up throwing the bodies in their van. I never said 78 people died. I don't know that. What I do know is as of when I was doing the live, 7 people had died. When my phone died, when my battery died, we had counted about 15 people. I don't know if it was more than that. We had a lot of people that had stray bullet wounds, gunshot wounds, and all that. 78 people, I don't know where you got that information from. I saw another one that said my cousin died. That's not true. Please, I will do my best to put my... I'm not very active on a lot of my pages, but I'll do my best to put all my handles in the caption so that you know. But the most powerful weapon we have is peace. Let us continue. I can't wait to come back because I'm definitely going to continue and be back on the streets peacefully.
All of them come outside and me come say the video was Photoshop. This one come, nobody die. They just they lie. If somebody dies, because if somebody die, where are the family? Some people they Lagos never get family. You say the person die where they shoot, they carry the body. Those of them never experience where army they shoot me that one. All of them now we did warrior na no Udu road na Pogias. They nearly shoot me there. I did there. I run leave my new palm till now. See they find the palm. Now so they shoot people die just because of one politician. These people they can save themselves and their business, but they don't save the citizen. No, they are not there for you. You know, just there. Your SLSC, yes, you are wasting your time. See the way they lie. Even the president put on you come aside. Talk about this you not talk. That means you know the plan work. This thing is a plan work. See how they keep because of money. Nobody get our time. And the youth are not dead there. So the question, now your future they take the place. So as they not kill your person, so you they happy. So why they go dead there? Why they go? Don't worry, your time will come. Now so they say ask me that why I go dead there the time I still go protest God of election. These people, the connection where they get, they just they fight when they reach election, PDP and APC. But when the time reach to save themselves, they save themselves. You know, that's all of them. Don't they put curfew now? All time don't they put just to dispatch us. Guy, protests continue. We don't want to talk the truth. All this way they say we are still trying to investigate what happened there. Nothing go happen. I'm gonna go straight to the other news. Yeah, government.